Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of faceless video creation for YouTube and social media. Imagine starting your own channel without the need for expensive recording equipment or extensive video editing skills. With just a single prompt, you can bring your ideas to life effortlessly. First, let's talk about how you can generate AI videos without any learning curve. Simply type your idea, specify the length, choose your platform, and select the voiceover accent. In just moments, you'll have AI-generated videos that perfectly encapsulate your vision. Editing your videos has never been easier. You can give simple commands to modify your content. Want to change the accent of the voiceover? No problem. Need to delete a scene or add a funny intro? Just type it in and watch your video transform before your eyes. But that's not all. We allow you to create compelling stories using AI-generated images and videos, eliminating the need to juggle multiple tools. This streamlined process means you can focus on what truly matters, your content. Time is precious, and with AI-powered scripts, you can save hours on video creation. Generate engaging scripts tailored to any topic, making the entire process smoother and more efficient. To enhance your videos further, take advantage of realistic AI voices. These voiceovers capture the emotion behind every word, providing a human touch in over 50 languages. Your audience will feel more connected to your content. Finally, set yourself up for success by planning and executing a robust video content strategy. Regularly publishing videos with the help of AI will significantly boost your exposure, awareness, and engagement. Keep your viewers coming back for more. So, are you ready to embark on your faceless video creation journey? With AI tools at your fingertips, the possibilities are endless. Start today.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on future content.